Hi, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're halfway to Africa. Welcome to Amsterdam. I'm really surprised because my Nikon Z kit is a third less weight. I can't believe how much lighter it is than the last time I came to Africa on safari with a full SLR kit. So 2 mirrorless cameras and 3 mirrorless lenses. Saving me a third the weight makes it easier. Now my bag's about 33 pounds. That also, the camera stuff, my laptop, the charger for the laptop and all that, makes it an easy go for me to get from home to safari. I can't wait I can't wait to get out and safari with you and make great pictures. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Are we ready to have some fun and take some pictures? And I'll share it with you all the way along.